Hey everybody, Little Miss Wartooth here. Today I am reviewing Aleopile. It's part of the Phoenix Steamworks. Nope. It's just Steamworks. The Steamworks line series by Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. The reason that there's two of these is that this scent has gone through a reformulation and it does make a pretty big difference. So I will be talking about both. Alright, so Aleopile is described as glowing amber and citrus, laudanum, which is an opium concoction, so it'll be a little bit opium-y, verbena, cedar, and oud. Now, the Aleopile is a silly little steam engine. It's a ball that has two tubes sticking off of it, and as it heats up, it starts to spin. And it spins more and more and more, and it's just this ridiculous little spinning ball shooting out steam, and it's ridiculous. Alright, now in the Imp, the old one smells and looks much different than the new one. This is very red. The newer one is a bit more orange. It's cedar, lemon, and a little bit verbena-y, which is almost floral, but not like flowers, fresh. I honestly have no idea how to describe it. And then the newer one is much more citrusy. It reminds me a little bit of Golden Phoenix. When it's wet, the old one is fresh and it has more of that fresh light feel. It's less citrusy and more woody. And if you huff it really hard, it smells like sawdust. Doesn't make much of a difference between skin chemistries. As I've said before, it depends on your skin chemistry. People with drier skin are probably going to have an experience more like what I get from my wrist, and people with less dry skin are probably going to get something a little closer to what I get on my inner arm. I do have a second set of skin with me, and he's a lot warmer and, produces testosterone. So, I have that new facet. It smells a little less sweet on him. He said that on me it smells like candy or Pez, like lemon Pez. I agree. It's very sweet on me. That's the newer one though. And the new one, it's light and that verbena that I seem to think smells like lemongrass. So it's like both grassy and citrusy. It's very heavy on that. And you can get just a little bit of the cedar. And once it's dry, now this is where the old one sort of, I'm glad that it got reformulated. Sometimes it smells rotting and earthy. Alright, and it's just, ugh, sometimes. And then other times it's like, okay, it's fine. And the woods, it's woodier, and I'd say it's a touch more masculine. And then when the new one is dry, it's light and it's not particularly floral, but it's clean and it's fresh. Some people have compared it to Lemon Pledge. I grew up with a house cleaner, so I've been around a lot of Lemon Pledge, and it's not really the same scent. So I think it's more of an association thing. So if you, associate lemon oil with Lemon Pledge, then yes, this will smell like Lemon Pledge, but it doesn't actually smell like furniture polish. If you can smell them side by side, it's not the same thing. So if you have that concern, don't worry about it. But I think the public wearability is pretty high because, like I said, it's light and fresh and not, the throw isn't too strong. Gender-wise, the old one is a little more butch, than the new one, and I feel like the new one is true unisex depending on what notes come out on you, because there is that cedar, gives it a little more of cologne to it, but it does also have the sweetness from the verbena and the amber and the citrus. Old Aleopile went weird and musty and fungal and rotten on you. I do highly recommend that you grab a new vial of it. It's absolutely worth it. While this isn't a big bottle scent for me, I do appreciate it being in my collection. So I hope that you enjoyed this review and that I've encouraged you to try out Aleopile again if you got the old formulation and it went wrong on you. Try it again. I definitely recommend, giving it a second chance. Alright, I hope that the rest of your day is good, and when you sleep, sleep comes quickly for you. Alright, bye.